John Suitt, generator technician. Well, I was born in New Orleans, Louisiana, but I live in Carrier, Mississippi. Done 17 years in the oil field, the production side. I'm also standby for rescue, certified with rope access. I'm certification driven. I love getting certifications. I love learning. The more certified you are, the more jobs you can hold, the more things you can do, the more you know. The more you know, the more you grow. That's the thing I kind of live by. What I bring to the table is my work ethic and my honesty. I'm a very loyal, honest, hardworking person. I believe in providing a service for, the right reason. If it challenges me, I want to know. I want to know it. I want to know how to do it. I know where it's needed. I just want to know everything about it. If it strikes an interest in my mind, which this field has, it's so dynamic in everything we do. There's all kind of little things I can learn about it. ESP Values Family. We look at our clients like they're wearing the ESP logo on their chest. It's no different than we treat our coworkers or anyone else on a job site. It's a family-driven business, and that's the way we treat from top to bottom, client or coworker. We treat everybody the same, whether they're family.